Hey, what's going on everybody? It's your bro, hope you're doing well, and in this video we're going to examine the strict equality operator in JavaScript. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Okay people, so the strict equality operator, it's represented by three equal signs. This is different from the standard equality operator, which is two equal signs, also known as the loose equality operator. So the loose equality operator will examine if two values are equal, and it disregards the data type of those two values or variables. However, with the strict equality operator, it will examine both values and their data type to see if they match. So here's an example. Let's say we have a variable var pi. Really, that should be a constant, but whatever. So var pi equals 3.14. And this is a number, not a string. So the data type of this variable pi is a number. We could also create a version of pi that is a string. Var pi equals 3.14. So even though these have the same values, they are of different data types, so we treat them differently. If pi was a number, we can actually use this with arithmetic expressions and other mathematical calculations. If it was a string, we cannot do that. We treat it as more of a series of characters rather than actual numbers. So let's check to see if pi is equal to 3.14. And I'm going to comment out this line where we declare pi a number, 3.14. So if pi is equal to 3.14 and the data type of the value that we're comparing pi to is a number, not a string. So pay attention to that. So if pi is equal to the number 3.14, then let's display a message. Console.log, yes, that is pi. Else, let's display something else. Else console.log, no, that is not pi. Okay, so let's try it. Is the string representation of pi 3.14 equal to the number representation of 3.14? So if we use the loose equality operator, well then this statement is true. This condition is true because the loose equality operator examines two values or variables and it disregards the data type. If we use the loose equality operator, the string representation of this value is also equal to the numeric representation of this value. However, if we use the strict equality operator represented by three equal signs, well then this is going to take a different course of action. In place of the loose equality operator, which is two equal signs, if we use three equal signs, we're comparing both the value and the data type between my variable pi and the number 3.14. And this will now display, no, that is not pi. While they do have the same value of 3.14, they have different data types. Pi is a string, and we're examining to see if this is equal to the number 3.14, which is different. So we treat data types differently. Now, if we use the number representation of 3.14 and not the string representation of that number, well then both the value and the data type of pi is equal to the number 3.14. In conclusion, the loose equality operator will examine only the values to see if they are equal. If you use the strict equality operator, that will examine the value and the data type to see if there's a match. So if you would like a copy of this code, I will post this to the comment section down below. But yeah, that's the strict equality operator in JavaScript.